Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of your Minecraft gameplay being laggy and choppy? Do you want to know how to make your gameplay smooth with perfect graphics settings? In this video, we will be discussing some tips and tricks to optimize your Minecraft settings and improve your gaming experience. Section 1. Optimize your Minecraft settings. The first step to improving your gameplay is to optimize your Minecraft settings. Go to the options menu and adjust the graphics, render distance, and other settings according to your mobile specifications. By lowering these settings, you can free up more resources for your game, resulting in a smoother and faster gameplay. Section 2. Install Optifine. Optifine is a mod that enhances the graphics and performance of Minecraft. By installing Optifine, you can unlock advanced graphics settings that are not available in the vanilla game. It also improves the game's FPS and reduces lag, resulting in a smoother gameplay. Section 3. Allocate more RAM. Minecraft is a memory-intensive game, and allocating more RAM to it can significantly improve its performance. To allocate more RAM, go to the launcher settings and increase the allocated memory. However, make sure that you do not allocate too much memory as it can cause your game to crash. For more information related allocating RAM section, watch our video about FPS optimizing by pressing on I button. Section 4. Adjust your keyboard shortcuts. By customizing your keyboard shortcuts, you can increase your gaming speed and efficiency. Go to the options menu and adjust the keyboard shortcuts according to your preferences. This will allow you to access your tools and items quickly, resulting in a smoother gameplay. Section 5. Use texture packs. Texture packs can enhance the graphics of your Minecraft game and make it look more appealing. Go to the resource packs section and download a texture pack that suits your style. This will not only make your game look better, but also optimize its performance, resulting in a smoother gameplay. Section 3. Use the right mods. Mods can enhance your gameplay by adding new features and functionalities to the game. However, not all mods are created equal. Use mods that are optimized for your mobile specifications and that do not slow down your game. This will ensure that your game runs smoothly without any lag or choppy graphics. That's it for today's video. We hope these tips and tricks will help you improve your Minecraft gameplay and make it smoother and faster. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Minecraft tutorials and gameplay. Thanks for watching.